Okay, so I decided to make you a video instead of writing the instructions down on the patterns. So my dad made you 3 templates or patterns, the large one, the small one, and then the kid size. All right, so instead of writing down the instructions, I'm gonna attempt to show you how to do it. So this is the small one that we use. You're gonna cut 2 of these, which are this one and this one, okay? So you're gonna cut 2. And then you're gonna fold the inside, and that's gonna be for the filter, okay? So you're gonna have 1 of the filters. Okay, so you have 2 this size and 1 this size, okay? Then we're gonna start off with the filter. You're gonna sew the tips together this way, and then you're gonna bring in this side twice and sew those twice, okay, on both sides. Fold it twice and sew. So when you finish, it's gonna end up looking like this, okay? So you got the top sewn, the bottom sewn, and the ends, okay? So we're gonna put that one aside because we're done with that. And then we're gonna get the liner, and we're gonna do the same, except it's just the top and the bottom. We're gonna sew these 2 together. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. So it's just the top and the bottom. Okay, once you're done with those 2, okay, you're gonna have the liner and then the filter. You're gonna put these together, and then you're gonna sew the top and the bottom. Okay, careful that you sew these the right way. So it's gonna be the inside and the inside, okay? So the top and the bottom. All right, so you're done with this one for now. And then for, this is the front of the mask, you're gonna do the same. You're gonna sew the top and the bottom. And it's gonna look like this. So just the top and the bottom, okay? So now you're gonna combine the liner, the filter, and the front of the mask. So you're just gonna place it on top, okay? So it's the liner facing up, and then the front of the mask facing down. So you're gonna put it together like this, okay? So it's gonna look like that. This is facing this way, and these 2 are facing that way, okay? All right, so we pin them together. This is the front of the mask facing in. Then we've got, let me see, I'm sorry, should have shown you this side better. So the front of the mask facing in, here's the liner, and here's, I'm sorry, the filter and the liner. All right, so we pin it together, and then we sew it, okay? You're gonna leave a little pocket that is not sewn, okay? So you're gonna sew all 3 parts together, except the pocket. Now you're gonna pull it all the way through. So what we've found is the easiest way to do it, if you pull the front mask material, pull it this way, because it's sometimes you get the liner and filter material mixed up. So what you're gonna do is pull it through, okay? So don't leave the pocket too big or too small, so that you can pull it all the way through. Okay. when you pull it all the way through, right, let me show you one that's already done since. When you pull it all the way through, it's gonna look like this, okay? So what you're gonna have to do is iron it so it's, you know, nice and straight. And then you're gonna sew the whole thing. So you're gonna sew it all the way around after it's ironed, okay? And it will look like this. So this one's ironed and it's sewn all the way around. The last thing you need to do is fold the sides in. And then you sew it depending on the size of your elastic. We use 1/4 of an inch for the elastic on each side. So it's gonna be like this. You sew it and then fold it for the elastic and then sew it again. So it'll look like that. Okay. And then it'll look like this. What we've been doing is sewing the elastic by hand. And then just sliding it through. It's up to you if you want to put a couple stitches right here so the elastic doesn't move. But that's about it. So this is the front. This is the filter. And then you got the liner. All right. Hopefully that's easy enough for you to understand or follow the instructions. All right. And this is my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
Okay, bye.